Today morning, the senior leaders of the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee with the TNCC President, our working presidents, our in-charge secretaries, then our senior leaders like Mr. Chidambaram, Mr. Tangabalu, Mr. Elangovan, Mr. Tirunavukkarsu, all our members of parliament. We all had a very long discussion and deliberation regarding our strategy for the elections and organizational issues. And it was a very good discussion with all our leaders expressing their views, and see that the Congress party will go into this election with unity and with a proper program and take up issues which concern the lives of the people, the livelihoods of the people. We do not want to take up issues which are only emotional or which are meant to distract or confuse the people of Tamil Nadu. Congress has always, whenever it's been in power, has always worked for the people, and any policy of the Congress party, if you see its history, it's connected to development, it's connected to social justice, it's connected to keeping the country together and respecting everybody's language, religion, culture and their identity. So that is the way Congress party has functioned. So in Tamil Nadu today, situation we are seeing how the fascist forces, communal forces are trying to confuse the people by taking up issues which do not connect to the people's lives. Today, farmers are in distress. Today, youths don't have jobs. Today, state government's powers are being taken away by the central government. Education policy, taxation policy, everything is being now usurped by the central government, and federalism is being threatened, and people's lives today, they are facing serious hardship. The economy is in a complete, it's collapsed, and we've seen the pandemic, corona pandemic also. The central government has not given any relief to any state and not done any help to any individuals throughout the country. So the Congress party has taken these issues, and we will keep fighting for this, for the cause of the people. So today's morning's meeting, we have taken a few decisions. Some of it will be told to you later, but I would like to announce that on the 22nd of November, we are starting a yatra which will, it is going to be called the Plow Yatra. So the Plow Yatra is connected to the life of the farmer, to the rural sector and to jobs also. So agriculture creates jobs, agricultural markets create employment, and the lives of the people of Tamil Nadu have been affected, and this is the issue that we are going to take up. So on 22nd there will be a big program where all the state leaders will be attending, and subsequently after the inaugural launch of the program in Coimbatore on the 28th of November, in every district, in one particular assembly constituency, this yatra will be held in that particular constituency, in all the districts of Tamil Nadu, in one assembly constituency. And after that, our workers, our cadres, our leaders will go into every assembly and take up the issues which connect to people's lives, jobs and farmers' issue. So this Plo Yatra will be launched on the 22nd and it will cover all the 234 assembly constituency of Tamil Nadu. So this is the major announcement I wanted to make. Subsequently, other issues also have been discussed and all the leaders are cooperating and we are going to go with great unity, and the Congress party's campaign strategy also is being evolved, and we are very confident that in the coming elections the alliance is going to sweep the elections and Congress party will play its role in helping the alliance sweep the elections. Thank you very much.
The 28th, Rahul Gandhi.
No.
No, I'll just clarify that, then you can. I'll just clarify that. The program concerning Shri Rahul Gandhi will be discussed later. That is not on the agenda right now. This program is the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee program, which will be attended by the Tamil Nadu Congress leaders. I'll also be attending into as many places as possible. Regarding Shri Rahul Gandhi's visit and his campaign or his tour program, that will be told to you subsequently at a later stage. Okay.